So look at that, guys. Homemade sausage rolls. I am using all butter Cheats puff pastry. Just push it to the side, get yourself some regular flour, and from a height, dust the surface like that, then turn it out on top of that. I'm not going to muck around with pork mincemeat and sort of mushing up all the flavours. I'm simply going to buy a chipolata that I already love. We're going to just slice this pastry in half lengthwise. We're just going to line up these sausages at an angle like that. Then I want to kind of pimp it. So pork loves, loves, loves fennel seeds. Just one little heaped teaspoon, and then I'm just going to pinch it along here. I've got some Parmesan here, just a little bit going on top. Now, this does two things. It seasons it, but also it helps stick the sausage to the pastry, which ain't no bad thing. So once I've done that, I just want to create a little bit of an egg wash to glaze this lovely sausage roll together, but also to stick it together as well. Literally just pat it like that. So look, we've done that now. All I want to do is just grab it at one end here, fold it up. You can be fairly rough with it. You know, the pastry's tough, it's not wimpy, it doesn't break. Just use your thumbs to kind of go along here, squeeze the sausage to one end, and then just use the fork just to sort of gently squeeze down here, and it just sort of crimps the two bits of pastry together. Frankly, you don't even need to do that. It just looks pretty, and I'm trying to look quaint. And then when you've done that, let's just glaze these. And then I'm going to get some sesame seeds. Really gives it a bit of a kind of edge. So that egg wash is just going to stick those sesame seeds there. We only need like a little handful there. And then when we got them like this, without being sort of too pretty about it, just clank through the sausage roll about 2 inches, and we've got our sausage rolls nearly done. Now, I've got a regular tray here. It's not non-stick. Let me show you how to make a regular tray non-stick. Put olive oil in it, right? Have a little rub up, right? Then grab a bit of flour and throw it in and shake it about, and then pour the flour away. And what you've done is create a non-stick layer. Nothing will stick to that, OK? Then I'm going to put my sausage rolls in and around here. So whack that in an oven. And for about 15, 20 minutes, they're at 220, so they'll crank along nice. Basically, they're ready when they're golden crisp and just look like you want to eat them. So get yourself a little sort of fish slice. Get right in and under there. You can see that that lovely non-stick that we made with the oil and the flour has worked a treat. Nothing's stuck. I'm going to put these on a cooling rack, and look at that. Absolutely perfect. It wouldn't be a sausage roll unless it was sat beside a nice bit of the old English mustard. That is a beautiful thing.